Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the next way trading. And right now, I'm trading with this strategy for binary options, and I'm gonna explain how to use and how to trade with Quotex using the broker Quotex and with pocket option. This is the first trade that I won today, so I think today we are gonna have a great trading session. Let's rock with this video. What broker can be better for you using different strategies? What broker can be more writable using the same strategy? If you watch this video, I know you're watching another videos for binary options and strategies for binary options. So what broker can be writable for me? I watched this video and for this YouTuber is writable using this broker or this broker, but what is the best option for me? What broker can be more writable for me? So in this video, I'm gonna test it in this strategy with two different brokers using the same settings and taking the same signals. Let's go to check it out how what can be more writable with this strategy and with different brokers. Hey, I feel so happy to be here. I feel glad to be here. And right now I just tested in this strategy, but I'm gonna show you how to trade with this turbo strategy for binary options and how we can use it on our favor to make money, to earn money with this turbo strategy. Okay, this is November 6th. We have the first week to trading with this strategy, and the strategy is using a stochastic oscillator and RSI. The settings I'm gonna show you right here. This is the settings for RSI 14, 17, and 30. This is the settings you need to copy, and this is for Quotex, right? And this is for Quotex. This is the settings for the stochastic oscillator is 14, 33, 3, 18, and 20. This is the moving average SMA. Let's go to check it out with this. Let's go to check it out with the pocket option broker, right? Pocket option broker. Let's go to check it out the RSI 14, 70, and 30 says, right? 14, 70, and 30. It's totally different between these ones and these ones, but the period is 14. This is a good one, and here don't show me the third line or this third line. The other side show me the third line is the 50. You can just cut, and this is there, right? So let's go to save. This is the RSI. We copy the settings. Let's go to check it out the settings with this stochastic oscillator. The setting says 14, 3, 3, 80. What is this 80? Well, is this maximum and it's good, okay? It's good. 80 and 20 is the same. 80, 20, okay? So we are good here, and it's a simple moving average. So the indicators coming by default in the moment you use it with both brokers. I think if it doesn't, you need to copy these settings. How works this turbo strategy? Well, today I'm gonna trade with Quotex, but you can trade with the broker that you prefer, right? When the stochastic oscillator is below of the period 20 line, you can see it here, and crossing here and is below 2 of the period 20 of the RSI, and the moving average, this 3 moving average, you can see it here, start going up and crossing to going up, we are gonna trade for 2 minutes for a call, right? Here, start going up. Start with this one. Don't show me this. So it can be risky to trade for a call in this candle. So what I need to do? Well, only I have to do is waiting to get a good opportunity, or waiting to indicators show me right now you need to trade for 2 minutes for a call. The steps are so simple. Well, I think we need to have patience to waiting for these opportunities. And contrary is when the stochastic oscillator is above of the period 80 and the RSI touched or is above of the period 70, we are gonna trade for a put. And follow these simple steps, we can have a writable trade session with this strategy. It's the same with the broker pocket option. So the steps are so simple. You can trade with the broker do you prefer. So I decided recording this video and teaching you the settings for both brokers. I'm gonna change the amount here. I don't want to trade with $1,000. No. I'm gonna trade for $100 with this broker, and I hope so today make a writable day with this trading session. So I'm gonna leave it with this video. I'm gonna record in a few trades with this, and I'm gonna share with you my results. Let's rock with this video. Okay, back to the testing with this strategy. You can notice how to the market show me the moves. It was weird, right? I have with the same signal and with the same strategy out the money with this. Even enter later here, I have out the money this one here. So it's weird. It's for me, almost this is weird. So let's go to check it out another example that I can find. Or I think with the same signal, I'm gonna trade again for $100 with both brokers and see how ending this signal. By the way, the chart we need to see it in 1 minute, 1 minute periods. Okay. Okay. This one was a deep one, the money. But the last one, I have my doubts. Okay, this is the results that I have right now with this turbo strategy. Testing this strategy with pocket option and with FOREX. What is the best broker for this strategy? So taking your decisions, testing it with both brokers, I think you can have different results because that happen all the time with different brokers, and you can test it if you what broker do you like more, with what broker, which broker can be more writable for you. So I'm gonna stop this video, recording this video. I think it's a good day for me with almost $200 with $300 with pocket option, and I lost 100. I recovered how much check here, $80. So I gonna continue with this trading session with this broker with this strategy too, and I also recovered that losses. So with pocket option, I earning $200. With FOREX, I lost $20. So I think it's a good day for me, but I'm gonna continue with this. And all this week, I'm gonna test in this strategy with different brokers, with these two brokers, and to show you what broker can be more writable for you with this strategy. And I'm gonna do this with my own strategy too, okay? So we need to know what is the best option for us. I hope this video like it. Please leave your comments. If you have a different issues with this strategy, with our another strategies with different brokers, please share with us. We need to know what is the best option to deposit our money, right? See you in the next week.